Hi, my name is Jenna Bayo, and I'm a student at Touro College. I'm in Dr. Levy's Introduction to Teaching Students with Disabilities. Today I'm going to discuss strategies that are used for students who are autistic, but before I get started, I'm going to explain what autism is. Autism is a complex developmental disorder that causes problems with social interaction and communication. Symptoms usually begin before the age of 3 and can cause delays or problems in many different skills and develop from infancy until adulthood. Some strategies that are used in the classroom for students who are autistic that are nonverbal is the PEC system. The PEC system is a picture exchange communication system designed for students with autism who have delays in speech development. It is a book that comes like this. It has many pictures inside. For example, salad, popcorn, potato, lamp, keys. And the way that this can be used is the teacher can have on a board pictures that are common, for example, food, drink, bathroom, and the student is able to point to the picture. So if they were thirsty, they would point to the picture of the drink, and they were able to communicate with the teacher that they were thirsty, and the teacher would be able to provide them with a drink. This also works at home and with other students. Another way that the PEC system can be used is during instructional time. If the teacher was trying to teach the student the word basketball and what a basketball was, she might put 3 pictures down and ask the student to point to the basketball. Once the student pointed to the basketball, she would lift the picture up, repeat that it was a basketball. She would put it down in a different place and ask the student to point to the basketball again. The student would point to the basketball one more time, and the teacher would know that the student had mastered what a basketball was. Another strategy that's used for students who are autistic who might suffer from anxiety is a question cup. A question cup is just a plain cup that has clothespins on it. The clothespins ask questions. For example, can I go to the nurse? There was a student at my school last year who often had anxiety and would look at the clock thinking he was going to be late to lunch or to the nurse's office to take his medicine, and would often raise his hand and interrupt instructional time to ask questions. The teacher designed this cup so that the student would take the clothespin, point it to the teacher, and ask, can I go to the nurse? Once he asked the question, he had to put the clothespin, back into the cup, and he was not allowed to ask that question again. This system worked for his anxiety. Another clothespin was a free question. This free question gave the student the opportunity to ask any question that he wanted throughout the day to ease his anxiety in case he had used up all his other questions. These were just 2 strategies that are used in the classroom for students who are autistic. There are many other strategies that can be used.